passing the decking. So you are just passing the wire for the internet. All our estates, including the ones you've seen before, they are smart.
Simply means that no internet company can hold you hostage. You
No,
can
no, no.
determine who leave, who stays.
Yes, yes.
Let's say you have smart.
We have a company that that's serving some of our estates. They are charging flat rate of 25,000 naira for a month, no matter the volume of what you use. So with that, you can access your building on your phone, on your laptop, anywhere you are in the world. So all our buildings designed that way. All this one, you can enter into this one. I'll show you. So this wire that I see properly. It's already designed from the decking. You can't sit into the wall before you transfer the wall. So that's the design. So for all our estates.
Simply mean that if tomorrow you notice that there's a new fast network on town,
you just change the network.
Wow,
you just switch.
So
for example, now I don't mention it. I'm not using any known name of any internet provider, even for the one in my house. So we have a company that what they do. They are not just using, because if you run fiber optics, it is more stronger. So they run the fiber optics, the cable in the estate, then they run the internet into your house. It's like electricity. So we are not even spending your money to do all those infrastructure. The company does that, then you pay them for service. So that's it. Very cheap and easy. Very cost effective.
Doesn't that sound just fantastic? I bet you are wowed. Wowed by all the amazing infrastructure that are coming with Crown Vista Estate located at Lugbe in the federal city of Abuja. Lugbe, Abuja is such an awesome place to stay because of the beautiful proximity that it shares with the International Airport, the Novare Gateway Mall, Central Business District, great schools, great relaxation areas, and every other thing that you need to live comfortably. Now, right here at Crown Vista Estate, we have housing units as well as plots. Yes, we are selling land and houses right here. So before I go into that, let me just talk about some features and other infrastructure that are coming with this estate. Now we're going to have ample parking space, we're going to have drainage systems, security gatehouse, the perimeter fencing which is already in place, electricity, sports and children play area. We're going to have tarred roads, just to mention but a few. And the title on this property is awesome. The title is a right of occupancy, R of O. So you should be rushing in to get your own unit right here. Now, before I go further, let's take a minute to hit that subscribe button. Yes, I need you to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this awesome channel. Also like if you're enjoying this video, and you can also comment. I'm going to really appreciate that. Now, for those who do not know, wealth is not attained by saving alone. Wealth is attained by saving, and especially by investing those savings. Now, one sure place where you should be investing is Crown Vista Estate. This property is sure to give you good return on investment in the shortest period of time. Now, one of the reasons why I say so is the location and the developments that are going on within this environment as we speak. Now, I know what you want to hear right now is the land spaces and the prices. Let me go straight into that. Now, for land, we have 450 square meter plot sizes going for 8.5 million and 300 square meter plot sizes going for 7.5 million. We also have 200 square meter plot size going for 5 million naira, all with a 6-month flexible payment plan at no interest. Yeah. Now to the housing units, we have 5-bedroom fully detached duplex plus a BQ going for 60 million naira. and 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex going for 39 million naira. We also have 3-bedroom terrace duplexes going for 35 million naira. The payment plan here is still 50% initial deposit and spread your remaining balance for 6 months at no interest. Now I'm going to give you a juicy deal. We are running a promo. You can get 5 million naira off our 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. Yes, we are running a promo, and in this promo, you can get a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex for 55 million instead of 60. So hurry and start calling my number before it is sold out. This offer is limited. We just have a few units before the offer is closed. So make sure you are giving me a call today before it's sold out. 5-bedroom fully detached duplex for 55 million instead of 60. Now, I do not want to waste your time any further. Just pick up your phone and start giving me that call today. 081-4342-9945. I will see you again in my next video. As you all know, my name is Mary, and my job is to bring you real estate investment deals to skyrocket your investment portfolio. So make sure you're giving me a call today. Do not wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow it might be sold out. All right. So see you in my next video. Bye.